Here I've got Orange Fova, and let me show you how to add a lock screen on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down and find security, click on it, and now go to screen lock. Now you can select the one that you would like to have, so you can have just slide in, face unlock, pattern, pin code or the password. So let me pick pin code, and now just enter the one that you would like to have. Just remember that your pin code must have at least 4 characters, obviously it can be longer, so let me add 2 more digits, tap on continue. Now let me do it one more time, 137946, and tap on next. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, no stranger will be able to unlock your phone. You have to enter this pin code and tap on OK. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.